An auxiliary boiler is a secondary boiler used in power plants to supply steam to various processes. Deaerator is a device that separates gases contained in feed water, heats and stores the feed water. Feed water pumps, responsible for pumping water into the boiler to maintain water levels and ensure proper steam generation. Economizers. These devices recover heat from the flue gas to preheat the boiler feed water, improving overall boiler efficiency. Superheaters. These components increase the temperature of steam above its saturation point, increasing its energy content for enhanced efficiency. The auxiliary boiler's water drum is located at the bottom of the water tube boiler, while the steam drum is located at the top. Furnace. Closely spaced water wall tubes form the membrane walls at the side. Roof, except for burner opening, rear, and front of the furnace. Burner, device responsible for the combustion of fuel within the boiler. Fuel oil is supplied to the burner from the fuel supply system. The ID fan is located at the outlet of a boiler and connected to stack, while the FD fan is located at the boiler's air inlet. Feed water is degassed, heated in the deaerator, and supplied to the boiler economizer through a feed water pump. Feed water enters the bottom headers and rises through the tubes to the top headers due to natural convection. As the water rises, it is heated until its saturation temperature is reached, and it then begins evaporating. Saturated steam convert to superheated steam in the superheater. Superheated steam is supplied to the power plant. The FD fan is responsible for pressurizing air in the auxiliary boiler. The ID fan removes the burned gas from the boiler and sends it to the stack.